Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the surface and materials so paint behaves predictably. Start by securing a primed or gessoed canvas on an easel. This prevents sinking and blotchy absorption. Next, squeeze out 2 base colors and a medium like linseed or acrylic gloss. You can thin a little for washes. Make sure to have one flat for blocking and one round for details. Once done, test a small stroke on scrap paper to check flow and color mix before committing to the canvas. You now block in the major shapes and gradually build depth. This is where planning meets execution. Start with a light wash or charcoal sketch to map composition, then use broad brushes to lay down base color masses. Make sure to let each layer become tacky or dry depending on your medium before glazing or scumbling. This prevents muddy mixes. Once the structure is solid, refine edges, deepen midtones, and add highlights and texture with smaller brushes to guide the viewer's eye across the canvas. You finish by tightening details and protecting your work so it lasts. Work small areas to sharpen contrasts, check balance from a distance, and sign when the paint is dry to the touch. After full curing, days to weeks depending on medium, apply a thin, even varnish for protection and unified gloss. If you notice cracking or persistent tackiness, stop varnishing. Let the piece cure longer, thin future layers, or stabilize with a proper medium. Quick fixes often make problems worse, so be patient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.